In this video, I am going to solve a problem that involves Wi-Fi speed at home. Now, it's given that it takes 20 seconds to download a 100 megabyte file during the peak hours and 12 seconds to download the same file during the off-peak hours. And also the problem tells us that speed goes down by the same amount during the peak hours as it goes up during the off-peak hours. So the thing is, speed either goes up or down by the same amount depending on whether it's peak hour or off-peak hour. During the off-peak hour it goes up by, let's say, x, and during the peak hours it goes down by x. Now the problem is asking you to find the regular Wi-Fi speed and the speed change. Let's make the following assumptions. So x is the speed change, that means the amount by which the speed either goes up or goes down, and y is the regular speed. Now we need to set up two equations involving x and y to solve for, and then we are going to solve this system and find the values of x and y. Let's take the first condition. It takes 20 seconds. So remember, it's going to be taking 20 seconds to download 100 megabytes. So, and if the speed is whatever it is, we take that speed and multiply it by 20 and we are going to get 100. So let's go ahead and find out what that is. So it takes 20 seconds during the peak hours. So that's the key word. So during the peak hours is going to be slow. So what is it going to be? Regular speed minus the speed change, which is x. So y minus x times the total time, which is 20. That's going to be giving me 100 megabytes. Okay, that's what it is. And then I could simplify this equation by dividing both sides by 20. That's going to give me y minus x is equal to 5. Now the second condition is that it takes 12 seconds to download the same file during the off-peak hours. Now during the off-peak hours the speed is going to be higher. That means it's going to be y plus x, and the speed is going to be y plus x. Of course, it's higher speed during the off-peak hours, so it should take less time, which is 12. So it's going to be times 12 is equal to 100. I can simplify it slightly by dividing both sides by 4. That's going to give me y plus x times 3 is equal to 25. Now from the first equation I can solve for y. That's going to give me y is equal to 5 plus x, because I can add x to both sides. Now I will take this y value and plug in right here. If I do that, I get y plus x, don't forget the 3, is equal to 25, or y is 5 plus x times 3 is equal to 25. Then I can divide both sides by 3. That is going to give me the following. Divide both sides by 3. These 3 and 3 cancels out. That gives me 5 plus x is equal to 25 over 3. And then I do solve for x by subtracting 5 from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. If I do that, on the left hand side, negative 5, positive 5 cancel out. That gives me x. And on the right hand side is going to be 25 over 3 minus 5. Now I'm going to multiply 5 by 3 and divide 5 by 3 so that both of these have the same denominators. So that gives me x is equal to 25 over 3 minus 15 over 3, which is 25 minus 10 over 3. So my x is 15 sorry, this is supposed to be actually 15 here. So this is supposed to be 15. So this is going to be 10 over 3. So my speed x is the speed change, is 10 over 3 Mbps, megabytes per second. So the speed either goes up or down by 10 over 3 megabytes per second. Now I can go ahead and find the y. We know that y is x, 5 plus x, so it's going to be y is equal to 5 plus 10 over 3, which is the same as 5 times 3 over 3 plus 10 over 3, or y is equal to 15 over 3, because 5 times 3 is 15, plus 10 over 3, which is 15 plus 10 over 3. So that gives me y is equal to 25 over 3. So that's the speed of the Wi-Fi. That means regular speed, which is 25 over 3 megabytes per second. So I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.